Welcome to today's review of Charles Schwab's Intelligent Portfolios, a robo-advisor service designed for those who want an automated, hands-off approach to investing. Whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned investor, Schwab's platform offers some interesting features that make it stand out. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, from the investment strategies it offers to fees, pros, cons, and how it compares to other options. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is an automated investing service offered by Charles Schwab, one of the biggest names in brokerage services. It's designed to build and manage a diversified portfolio for you using low-cost ETFs based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. You don't have to actively manage your investments because the system takes care of rebalancing your portfolio as needed. Unlike many robo-advisors, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios doesn't charge any advisory fees or commissions. This makes it appealing for investors who want a cost-effective way to invest without having to worry about ongoing charges eating into their returns. However, there are some considerations like the cash allocation strategy and the minimum account requirement, which we'll dive into later. To get started with Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, you'll need at least $5,000, which is higher than many other robo-advisors. Once you set up an account, Schwab's algorithms work to create a customized portfolio for you based on your answers to a series of questions about your investment goals and preferences. These questions help the system determine factors like how much risk you're comfortable taking, how long you plan to invest, and what kind of returns you expect. The portfolios are built using over 50 ETFs that span a variety of asset classes, including US and international stocks, bonds, and even commodities like gold and silver. Schwab's system automatically rebalances your portfolio based on changes in the market or in your personal financial situation, ensuring that your investments stay aligned with your goals. One key feature of Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is its allocation of a significant portion of your portfolio to cash. This cash is held in an interest-bearing account with Charles Schwab Bank. The interest rate is currently around 0.492% annual percentage yield, which may not seem like much, but it adds a level of stability to your investments, especially for conservative investors who prefer lower risk. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is available for a wide range of account types, from individual and joint brokerage accounts to retirement accounts like traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and SEP IRAs. You can even open custodial accounts for minors, allowing you to invest on behalf of your children. The platform also supports revocable living trust accounts, which can be a great tool for estate planning. One limitation to keep in mind is that Schwab Intelligent Portfolios only invests in ETFs. If you're looking to invest in individual stocks, mutual funds, or cryptocurrencies, this platform may not be the best fit for you. It's designed for passive investors who are comfortable with a diversified, long-term approach. One of the major selling points of Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is that there are no advisory fees or commissions, unlike many other robo-advisors. While you won't pay these fees, there are still some costs to consider. The ETFs that make up your portfolio come with expense ratios, which are the fees charged by the funds themselves. On average, the expense ratio for the ETFs in Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is around 0.05%, which is relatively low. If you want more personalized advice, Schwab also offers Intelligent Portfolios Premium, which has a higher minimum account balance of $25,000. This premium version comes with a one-time planning fee of $300, plus a monthly advisory fee of $30. In return, you get access to more comprehensive financial planning tools and the ability to work with a certified financial planner. One standout feature of Schwab's Intelligent Portfolios is its automatic tax loss harvesting, which is designed to help investors maximize their tax efficiency. For those unfamiliar with the term, tax loss harvesting is a strategy where losing investments are sold to offset capital gains, helping reduce the taxes you owe. Schwab automatically looks for these opportunities in your portfolio and carries out the process without requiring any manual intervention. This feature is available for portfolios with a balance of $50,000 or more. It's a big plus for investors in higher tax brackets who are looking to minimize their tax liability, especially during volatile market conditions. By capturing losses and reinvesting in similar assets, Schwab's Intelligent Portfolios can help cushion your portfolio against taxable gains over the long term. However, it's worth noting that this feature might not be as beneficial for those in lower tax brackets, but it's still a powerful tool for tax planning. Like any investment service, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios has its strengths and weaknesses. One of the biggest advantages is the lack of advisory fees, making it a cost-effective choice for investors who don't want to pay ongoing fees. The platform's wide selection of ETFs also allows for a well-diversified portfolio, which can help reduce risk. However, there are a few downsides to consider. The $5,000 minimum account requirement is higher than what you'll find with many other robo-advisors, such as Fidelity Go, which has no minimum. Another potential drawback is Schwab's cash allocation strategy. While holding cash can reduce risk, it also limits the growth potential of your portfolio compared to investing more of your money in stocks or bonds. Additionally, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios only offers tax loss harvesting for accounts with at least $50,000. Tax loss harvesting is a strategy that helps reduce your tax bill by offsetting capital gains with losses, so it's a valuable feature for high net worth investors, but it's not accessible to everyone. When comparing Schwab Intelligent Portfolios to other robo-advisors like Betterment and Fidelity Go, it's clear that each platform has its own advantages depending on your needs. Betterment, for example, has no minimum account requirement and offers automatic tax loss harvesting for all accounts. However, Betterment charges an advisory fee, whereas Schwab Intelligent Portfolios does not. This makes Schwab a better option for investors who want to avoid paying fees, especially if they have a higher account balance. Fidelity Go, on the other hand, has a lower minimum requirement and doesn't charge fees for accounts with balances under $25,000. But once you exceed that balance, you'll start paying advisory fees, which could make Schwab the more attractive option for larger accounts. Overall, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is best suited for investors who are comfortable with a $5,000 minimum and want a fee-free, hands-off investing experience. If you're looking for tax loss harvesting or prefer a platform that doesn't allocate as much to cash, Betterment or Fidelity Go might be worth considering. Whether Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is the right choice for you depends on your individual financial goals and preferences. If you're a conservative investor who values stability and doesn't mind having a portion of your portfolio in cash, this platform could be a great fit. The lack of advisory fees makes it particularly appealing for investors with larger account balances. On the other hand, if you're looking for more flexibility in terms of investment options or want access to advanced features like tax loss harvesting with a lower account balance, you might want to explore alternatives like Betterment or Fidelity Go. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.